Apple's M5 MacBook Pro, a step towards easier battery replacement, but is it enough? Apple has made a subtle yet significant change with its latest M5 MacBook Pro, and it's all about making battery replacements a little less daunting. But here's where it gets controversial. While it's a step in the right direction, Apple's approach still leaves much to be desired for DIY enthusiasts and repair professionals alike. The M5 MacBook Pro boasts a unique feature: the ability to replace the battery without removing the trackpad. This is a first for Apple, and it's a welcome improvement. However, the catch is that Apple's official replacement process remains a complex journey that might deter many users from attempting it themselves. For those brave enough to embark on a DIY repair, Apple's self-service repair store offers a top case with battery and keyboard as the only option. This means MacBook Pro owners must also disassemble numerous unrelated screws and components, adding unnecessary complexity to a simple battery replacement. But there's a silver lining. iFixit confirms that the M5 MacBook Pro comes with a slightly upgraded 72.6 Wh battery, a small but notable improvement over its predecessor's 72.4 Wh battery. Despite this progress, iFixit still rates the M5 MacBook Pro's repairability at 4 out of 10. While it's doable, it's tougher than it needs to be. This score is a step down from the M1 MacBook Pro's 5 out of 10, indicating that Apple has made incremental improvements in making MacBook repairs more accessible. So, is Apple doing enough to make battery replacements more user-friendly? Or should they take bolder steps towards repairability? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear your opinions on this ongoing debate.